Today I want to show you how to go about building an AppleScript, or how I go about building an AppleScript. So, and you may or may not find this interesting, but I sure do. So let's say I have a VPN and I want it to activate and select a specific location. I would first I'm gonna turn on the AppleScript editor or activate it. And I'm gonna say new document. And I'm gonna say open a library. Open dictionary, not library. And find my VPN that I want to use. Here it is, ExpressVPN. Again, this is only possible if the application you're using is scriptable. So I'm going to open this dictionary, and then I'll get a bunch of definitions. And I'm going to select the ones that are specific to ExpressVPN, which here's the standard suite, which work in all Macs. And then here's the ExpressVPN. The standard suite means that it works on the whole system. All right, so I'm going to select ExpressVPN and take a look at that application. Okay, so we know that the first thing we want to do is activate the application. So we're going to type tell application ExpressVPN activate. I'm going to hit the compile button and see if this part works. Oh, and I need to add the endtel here at the end. All right, now I'm going to compile. Yep, this works. So now that I have this segment in and I have the intel, now I know that everything else needs to occur before the intel command. So now I'm gonna tell it to select the location, which is right here, and then I'm going to tell it to connect, which is the command that is right here, connect. Okay, so now I'm going to select, let's see, I'll go back up here. I'm going to give it some space. I'm going to say select location, and then select location. I'm going to say it's going to be Saudi Arabia. I'm gonna say name of location. So the name of the location is going to be in quotation marks. And then you know what? We don't want select location, we're gonna say select country. Yep. And then select country, which is gonna be Saudi Arabia. And then we're gonna say connect, and then name of the location to connect to. So now we're gonna say connect to this one right here. Now we're gonna compile that, see if that works. Oh, no, it does not. So, we're gonna take out the 2. And see if it just does it without the 2. Okay, now we're gonna compile. Yeah, that does work. Alright, so now we're gonna, one more thing. We're gonna put here, after they activate, a delay of 1.5 seconds. So, because it needs time to load up the program or the application. I'm just gonna leave it at 1.5 without needing to give it a label. Now we're gonna compile again. Delay. So when it turns dynamic like that and turns blue, that means that the code works. So now let's try it. I'm gonna play this script. Oh, and then it fails. There's no such country. Okay. From here, I'm gonna see what countries they do have. Let me just check. Okay. Let's okay. But they had Egypt? So Middle East and Africa. Okay. Let's try no. Let's try the Americas and let's say Brazil. Alright, Brazil. So you just simply replace the name of the script right here. Now we compile it. And now we're going to close VPN Express again. And now we're going to try the script one more time. And there you have it. Now you're connected to a server through VPN, ExpressVPN servers in Brazil. But this AppleScript is really cool. And I actually wrote this myself and not copied and modified like a lot of my other AppleScripts. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect this for now. Alright, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what other automations you'd like to see. Oh, and by the way, you would simply use the script in some sort of trigger applications like Better Touch Tool or Keyboard Maestro. There's plenty of applications that you can use as a trigger to run AppleScript. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video.